In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash into GCash. This process is simple and convenient, allowing you to load funds into your GCash account with ease. To begin, open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is where you'll manage all your transactions, so having it open is the essential first step. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your GCash account. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access to all the features of the app. Once you're in the app, tap on Cash In. This option is usually displayed prominently on the main screen, making it easy to find. The Cash In feature is what allows you to add money to your account, so it's the starting point for this transaction. Next, you'll want to select Over the Counter. This method involves visiting a physical store to complete your cash in, which can be more reassuring for those who prefer in-person transactions. Over-the-counter options are great because they are widely available and very straightforward. Now choose a partner store from the list provided. You'll see options like 7-Eleven, SM, and Pure Gold, among others. These are trusted partners, so you can feel confident in using their services. Choosing a store that is convenient for you can save time and make the process smoother. With that ready, head over to the chosen store. Once you arrive, look for the cashier or a designated kiosk where GCash transactions are handled. This is where you'll complete the cash-in process, so make sure you have everything you need. When it's your turn, give your GCash mobile number to the cashier. This step is crucial because your mobile number is linked to your GCash account. Providing the correct number ensures that the funds are credited to the right account. Tell the cashier the amount you wish to cash in. Be clear and precise about this amount, as it determines how much will be added to your GCash balance. It's always a good idea to double-check this figure to avoid any mistakes. Next up, pay the specified amount in cash. This is the physical exchange that makes the transaction possible. Handing over the cash is the final step at the store, and it confirms your intention to load your GCash account. After that, wait for an SMS or app confirmation. This is an important part of the process, as it verifies that your transaction has been successfully completed. You should receive this confirmation shortly after completing the payment. Keep an eye on your phone for a message or check the app directly. This confirmation step is essential because it reassures you that the funds have safely made their way into your account. If you don't receive a confirmation, it's a good idea to check back with the cashier or contact GCash support for assistance. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to cashing into GCash via over-the-counter stores. This method is convenient and accessible, providing you with a reliable way to manage your finances. Remember, having funds in your GCash account opens up many possibilities, from paying bills to making purchases. Thank you for watching, and happy cashing in!